So we're going to pick up with our third comparison that a ratio can create, and that is going to be part of one set to the entire set, and that's of that same set. So I'm just comparing things within one set, part of that set to the entire set. So then the example that we would list would be comparing the number of boys in this class to the total number of students in this class. And so this would be a part to whole comparison. Part of the set to the whole set. The fourth comparison that a ratio can create would be part of one set to another part of the same set. So now I'm comparing two different kind of subgroups or subsets within a set. So for example, that would be comparing the number of boys in this class to the number of girls in this class. And that would be also a two-part comparison. But instead of being between different sets like it was in number 2, this is between the same set. So I'm going to scroll this up, and there are two key concepts that we want to note for ratios. The first one is that order matters, and I'm going to put an exclamation point after this. And I'm going to write the numbers have to match the corresponding words, meaning the words that those numbers represent. If I were to say that the ratio of teachers to students in this class is 2 to 24, that would mean that because the 2 comes first and teachers is the first word, so teachers to students, the 2 is the first number, teachers is the first word, that would mean, in this example, that there are 2 teachers, and there are, since students is the second word, 24 is the second number, there are 24 students. So I can figure out that information based off of the order that my numbers are listed in the ratio, and how I have set up my sentence or my question, the ratio of teachers to students. That means the first number is teachers and the second number is students. The second thing that we're going to list that we're going to spend more time on tomorrow is equivalent ratios. So we will talk more about what that means later, but I want you to put it in your notes. Equivalent ratios. So today we're going to focus on the order. Tomorrow we will focus on equivalent ratios.